When it comes to building a dock, there's a right way and a wrong way. And trust us, you want to get it right. Maybe you've heard of building a dock upside down, but let's dive into why going right side up is the smarter, safest, and all around better choice. Building a dock right side up, it's like having a bird's eye view of perfection. You get full control, full visibility, and the satisfaction of knowing each board is perfectly level and secure. No guesswork here, just precision craftsmanship that prevents any nasty surprises down the line. Attaching the decking? Piece of cake. With everything upright, you can build the frame, measure with pinpoint accuracy, and nail that perfect spacing between boards. No flipping, no fumbling, just seamless construction that holds strong against the elements. And when life happens, because it does, repairing your dock is a breeze. Built right side up, a quick fix is just that, quick. Just plop off the boards where the breach is, make your repair, and you're back in action. No need to wrestle the whole thing out of the water or flip it over. Simplicity, neat efficiency. At Aquamax, we design our boats for one thing, building docks right side up, the right way. Because in the end, you deserve a dock that's sturdier, safer, and built to last. Easy to repair and ready to weather whatever comes your way. Aquamax, made by boaters for boaters.